LearnCity. My name is Praise and I'm the mathematics tutor, and in today's class we'll be doing sum to infinity of a geometric progression. Sum to infinity of a geometric progression. So the sum to infinity of a geometric progression is s to infinity equals to a over 1 minus r. We have our sum to infinity to be s infinity equals to a over 1 minus r, and for our nth number we have it to be a into bracket 1 minus rn over 1 minus r. That is if we are to find for nth of a number, but for our infinity it is a over 1 minus r. So find the sum to infinity of the geometric progression, where we have 1 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 16 minus 1 over 64 plus dot. So here, what is our first term? Our first term is 1, and there our r, our common ratio, will be minus 1 over 4. So where we have s is equals to a over 1 minus r, we have our s here to be 1 over 1 plus 1 over 4. Since you have minus times minus will be plus. So solving for this, we have 4. So we have 4 in 4 here 1. We have here to be 5 over 4. So we have 1 divided by 5 over 4. So we have it 1 times 4 over 5. We have this to be 4 over 5. So the sum to infinity for the first one is 4 over 5. Now for the second one, we have 1 plus 9 over 10. We have 1 plus 9 over 10 plus 9 over 10 all squared plus 9 over 10 raised to power 3 plus dot. Now for the first one, we can see that our first term here is 1 and our second term here is 9 over 10. Our r is 9 over 10. Our r is 9 over 10. Our r is 9 over 10. So we will solve when s infinity is now a into bracket 1 over r, 1 minus r. We have our a to be 1. We have 1 minus 9 over 10. We have it to be 1 minus 9 over 10. Then we solve. We have 10 here. So we have 10 minus 9. We have this to be 1 over 10. So we have this to be 1 divided by 1 over 10. Where we have it to be 1 times 10 over 1. So we have our sum of infinity for this to be 10. So now we've explained how sum of infinity is, where we say our sum of infinity to a geometric progression is a over 1 minus r, and in which this brings us to the end of our class on sequence and series, where we've talked about what sequence is, series, the nth term of a sequence and a series. We talked about arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean, the nth term of arithmetic progression. We talked about geometric progression, geometric mean, the nth term to geometric progression, and the sum of infinity to a geometric progression, in which in our next class we'll be starting a new topic on logic and logic reasoning. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.